Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Crimson Desert on PC. Follow each solution step by step until your audio is working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as default. Select your device and click on Set Default. Solution 2. Check volume levels. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set to the lowest level. Adjust it if needed. Solution 3. Change Advanced Audio Settings. Open the Advanced tab. Set the bitrate to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. Also uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Disable Spatial Sound. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Update audio drivers. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to complete. Solution 6. Reinstall audio driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Update graphics driver. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to complete. Solution 8. Update NVIDIA drivers. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. Once done, launch your game. After completing these steps, your sound should now be working properly in Crimson Desert. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.